The shaman had a dream. As he slept, he knighted me. And when I awoke, I understood his invitation. I realized my initiation. Running from myself, I asked, I don't know how I fit in to anything. My greater intelligence answers me. It is not how you fit in. It is how we fit in. When you take me with you, we become I am. I am a source of light. I am a black wild cat. As with all cats, I dream with night vision. And fear is my prey. My arrows are made of light, and they travel with her speed. Each one designed by my thoughts, words, and acts. They fracture your walls of fear and misunderstanding, and create passageways to escape the prisons so many of you have built around yourselves. Do not worry. I am coming for you. I am coming for all of you who find your way to me as you walk along the path of life. I am hunting each and every one of you. But first, I must hunt myself.